Welcome to Black Tie Kitchen. My name is Dennis, and today I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to make whipped cream at home so you no longer have to buy that stuff in a can. All these methods have the exact same ingredients. You're going to need a 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of kosher salt. Method number 1, you're going to want to put your metal whisk and your metal bowl in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. So once you take out your bowl, you're just going to basically dump your sugar in there, get a pinch of that salt, and just pour your cream in there. And now we're just going to start whisking. Now this is a very labor-intensive method, but most people have a whisk and most people have a bowl. If you're looking for a forearm workout, this is definitely the thing to do. This also takes a while. Now you know it's done when it doesn't run. It'll start to make peaks that sound like that. Now you can cover this and put in the fridge and it'll hold for quite some time, but I doubt it's gonna last very long if you try it, because it's just delicious. This method's gonna be a little bit simpler than using a whisk and bowl just because it doesn't require the manual labor. So once again, we have a 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna pour our 2 tablespoons of sugar in there with a pinch of kosher salt. And this time we're bringing guns. We have a hand mixer. So just gonna go in there low, making sure not to splatter everywhere. And just like the last method, once you start seeing the peaks, it's ready to go. Now, pro tip here, when you like this, make sure it's disconnected from the power. Last thing you want is to take your tongue off with the hand mixer. It's not very fun. Our last method was calling in the big guns. This time, we're calling in an airstrike. The blender. Now, if your blender has a personal cup option, even better, because as soon as you're done, you can just cap it and throw it right in the fridge if you don't eat it all in one sitting. This one I'm actually going to do without sugar for us low carb people. You're going to want to put a 1.5 cups in your personal thing, your personal blender, and a pinch of salt. Put this cap on and get ready for no manual labor. Now you'll know it's done when it no longer fluctuates inside the cup. This is perfect. My name is Dennis, and until next time, eat well. Oh my gosh, so good. Why would you ever buy canned stuff?